Like a lot of people's narrowboat journeys start, we found a boat we liked on Apollo Duck and went to view it.
But not before a test drive. Shall we do it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
We'll do a boat tour video very soon.
It's now time to get the boat from Nottingham to Worcester.
With a bit of help from my dad.
I think he likes the Perkins engine a bit too much.
So it was about this point that my phone dropped in the canal.
So we did our first bit of magnet fishing.
Off the boat, you!
We broke down in Penkridge.
But thanks to Bam Bam we got a tow.
As we approached Worcester, the journey neared its end.
But not before a storm. but after the storm comes the calm.
And we arrived in Worcester just in time for dry dock.
Thank you for watching our second vlog, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.
We've been overwhelmed with support so far and look forward to sharing more of our adventures with you.